Hello dear friends, if you are gonna leave your job or if you have already resigned from your job, Facebook has given us a very specific way to share this news with our friends. So if you wanna share a live post on your Facebook profile, then keep watching this video till the end. So without further ado, let's get started. So after opening your Facebook profile, just click here, what's on your mind. Now scroll down a little bit. And now select the last second option, live event. Now select the first option, work. Now look at the last second option, left sub. So click on it. Now to add a picture, just click on photos and videos option at the top right corner. It'll redirect you to your phone gallery and select the picture that you want to add to your post. And after selecting your picture, just click on down at the top right corner. Now you gotta write here which job you are leaving from. Now write your job title that you are gonna leave. For example, for this post, I'm selecting the first option, Administrative Office Assistant. And if you want to write a little bit description, I mean why you are gonna leave this job or why you have resigned from this job, you can write here too. Just click on say something about this and write the reason why you are leaving this job. And after writing here, just click on next at the top right corner. And now as soon as you click on the post button at the top right corner, your left post will be shared to the public. That's it. Hope you enjoyed the video, and if you found the video a little bit helpful, then hit a like. And if you want to watch more this kind of helpful and informative videos, then subscribe to the channel right now. So see you soon in the next video with another helpful content like this. Till then, thank you. Bye bye.